Hello again. The nickname for Richard is Dick. Why is this? Why is this okay with everyone? I mean, if we can call people with the name Richard Dick, then we could call women with the name of Veronica Vagina. I mean, 'cause Rich got nothing to do with Dick, except for a guy's got one. But Veronica, it rhymes with it. Veronica, Vagina, starts with a V. I mean, you can't go wrong, right? I don't understand it. I really don't. I mean, if you call someone named Richard Dick, then you're a pervert. A perv, okay? I cuss. I talk about women, bad words, whatever, like what people would think. But I don't call someone named Richard Dick. I don't do it. It's odd. It's very weird. Alright, well, my girlfriend's father's name is Richard, so the mom's always calling him Dick. Dick this, Dick that. I mean, it's too bad she's not a MILF, otherwise I'd be over there for dinner every night. I could just picture her leaning over the table. "Oh, Dick, would you like some buttermilk biscuits?" I'll take one. I'll take one. I mean, he could be across the street, and she's screaming out the window, "Dick, dinner's ready!" I mean, the neighbors gotta be wondering what the hell's going on at that house. I would be. It's crazy. And these people are churchgoers, which makes it even more oddballing. Okay? Weird. Now, like a dude named Little Richard, he wouldn't appreciate being called Little Dick. But if my name was Big Richie, you can call me Big Dick anytime. Anytime. Alright? Wake me up in the middle of the night and say, "Hey, Big Dick, would you like a drink of water?" I'll take a drink of water. You know? I mean, I don't understand it. Now, you know those burger joints out west, In and Out? What if a Richard bought one of those? It'd be Dick's In and Out. This is my point. I don't understand. People, abort the Dick for Richard. Abort! Get away from it. Never come back. I mean, it's horrible. Now, people usually call me Dick, but it falls with the word head, sometimes needle before it. And what if there was a family and they had a baby boy and their last name was the Liss? Liss, that was her last name. Would you call him Dickless? No, you wouldn't. End the Dick.